What's up, you guys? It's your and Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, you guys, I'm going to be showing you how I trim my hair because as you can see, these ends are a hot mess. So I'm just gonna clean these up. It's been about, I don't even know, I feel like it's definitely been well over 6 months since I trimmed my hair. For the most part, I'm the one who trims my own hair. Sometimes what I'll do dusting, which is kind of just like when I twist my hair, I kind of just dust off or trim off like a tiny bit where the twist doesn't look right. But I haven't done a thorough trim in a long time, and some of you guys asked me how I do trim my hair, so this video is for you if you're wondering. But if you guys are new, thank you so much for stopping by, and please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and hit that post notification bell as well so you know when I post new videos. But yeah, you guys, let's just hop right into this video. So for this video, you're going to need obviously some scissors. Don't just be using regular scissors from your kids' arts and crafts or your kitchen scissors. Make sure you're getting hair scissors. So that's what those look like. I'm going to be using my Denman brush just to get out any tangles. I do have my wide tooth comb. I have my wide tooth comb on hand as well. And you might need some scrunchies and some clips. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to section my hair off in the middle because I want to make sure that my hair is nice and even on all sides. And then I'm going to section off the back as well. Okay, so I'm going to first take my wide tooth comb and then my Denman brush. And that's just to help get out most of the tangles. So I want to just show you what my ends are looking like. And that's what they're looking like. They are horrible, super bad. So I am going to take this small section right here, and then I'm just going to pin the rest of that up. And what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to try and, I need my Denman brush for this. So you want to cut where you find the most resistance and also where you can visibly see your hair all scraggly. I mean, you don't want to cut too low because sometimes it's just that you didn't blow dry your hair properly and it's still a bit frizzy. But let me bring you guys a little bit closer so you can see exactly what I'm saying. So I think what I'm going to do is probably cut off about an inch or so. And honestly, this is obviously not how hairdressers would cut my hair, but this is what's been working for me, and I'm the only one who cuts my hair. So I'm gonna cut right about here because that is where I feel the most resistance, and you can feel and see that my hair needs to be cut right about here. So I'm cutting about this much off and I trim. There you go. So that's how much I cut off so far. And I'm just gonna cut a little bit more because that wasn't an even cut. So I'm taking it and just trimming that off. So I'm literally just going to continue doing the same thing. So you're just going to take smaller sections, detangle, and then start clipping. And don't so much worry about it being even because once your hair reverts back to being curly, you're not really going to notice it too much. It's kind of hard to show you guys, so I'm going to stand up for this. So here you can see is where my split ends start. So I'm just gonna cut off about the exact same amount. You also want to make sure that you are pulling your hair down, because obviously you still have shrinkage even though your hair is blow dried, and you don't want to cut off way too much than you need to. So pull your hair not too tight and just cut. I do sometimes go back and just cut any excess that I see. But that's what I'm saying, guys. I'm not like super anal about a blunt cut or anything like that. So that's that section. I'm going to now work on this back section. So again, I'm just taking this section of hair, I am going to measure it against this section of hair. So there you go, that's how it's looking. You really, to me, like, you don't have to worry how like super even it is. I mean, right now it doesn't look the greatest, like a super blunt cut, as I was saying, but you have to remember that, like, for the most part your hair is in its natural state, and once it curls up, you're not going to be able to really see how, you know, some parts are still not even, like some parts are not as even as other parts. You just want to make sure, obviously, that it's not drastic, but I think it's fine, personally, if every single piece is not completely lining up. Okay, so the back section is done, and I'm pretty sure, like, I'm hoping that you guys can see a difference. So let's go ahead and move on to another section. Okay guys, so I'm pretty sure you understand what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna speed up these next few clips so that you guys aren't sitting here all day just watching me trim my hair, and I will come back to you guys when I am at the front of my hair to show you what I do in the front. Okay, so we reached the front of my hair, and I don't have like major bangs or anything, but I do have these layers at the front of my hair, and I often leave them out together. So I do want to make sure that this part is a lot more calculated than I have been. So I make sure that I take even pieces and cut them at the same time so that they are not lopsided. So my hair is finally nice and trimmed. I am excited about this because, as I was telling you guys, it's been long overdue. I really hope you guys learned something, and I hope this video was helpful. And if it was, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And also comment down below. I want to know if you guys would try trimming your own hair, or if you're just going to leave that to professionals. But thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting your girl. And for now, I'm going to say toodles.
Toodles. I want to say toodles.
Raylan wants to say hello.
Toodles.
Toodles. You gotta put it up like this. Toodles.
Toodles.
You gotta look in here. Good job.